Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Future, Tools of Destruction. In the last episode, we went through Planet Ardolis, and we finished up going to the pirate base. We found a map that took us to Ryken 5, and we went through another space combat level, and once again, I missed a single target. I will forever be salty about that kind of stuff, but whatever. But now we have new enemies for us to fight. I mean, not really new enemies, but more experience from enemies. It's gonna be grand.
Ratchet, I've pinpointed the coordinates from the holo map. The location we're looking for is ahead of you, just past the spaceport. But be careful. Tachyo's got the port surrounded.
And I've got them surrounded with weaponry. Hang on. Sorry about that. I wanted to make sure my cat didn't try to jump up onto anything she shouldn't. Alrighty. Oh wait, hang on. There you go. Nice.
All right, Chief. What can we do you for?
I'll worry about that later. That's a lot of raritanium. Did I quickly catch up with that just from that one weapon, or one level? Sweet.
Upgraded.
Definitely gonna need to... Oh god. I mean, it's worth it, right? All the other things are complete, so I'm gonna save up.
Making a run for it. Watch my six.
I think we should be in the clear. We're not. Definitely not in the clear. But everything will be fine. We just need to keep holding out. Upgrade! Sweet! I like me some upgrades.
Confound it, Pop. Tell me you didn't forget to set the third thermite fuse. I forgot the who and the what now? Then what good is all that storage space if you can't remember a darn thing? Out of my way! Control!
I got you covered. Go get him, boys.
Thermite fuse activated! Take cover! Detonation in 3, 2, 1!
Haha!
I haven't seen an explosion that pretty. Welcome to the Grummelnet weapon
so tempted. You know what?
Bada bing, bada boom.
I might as well.
Intrusion at the eighth parallel. Come on, let's head into the city. Look alive. We got incoming enemy forces.
Boom, baby.
Oh, she was trying to flank us. Dig in and take her out.
Watch out, guys. There's a huge battalion of troops headed straight for you. Take cover anywhere you can.
Good job, you killed your own enemies, or your own allies. Although you did the job for me, so thank you. I don't know where these ammo things are coming from, but I'm glad they're appearing. I might as well focus on a weapon like this. Definitely is appearing tough to actually be able to effectively kill enemies with them, so all the more reason for me to focus my usage on them. That is until I run out of ammo. My cat keeps harassing me. Hang on. You poor, poor thing. You think you're so unloved. Sorry about that. Angel can get very, very needy. She tends to be very, like... She tends to harass me for it. Like, she will not leave me alone until I give her love. She'll just sit there and stare at me. Like, hey, are you gonna give me love or not? She'll especially stare at me when I'm eating anything made of meat. Like, I don't know why, but she likes anything... She likes anything made of meat. She'll just sit around staring at you, licking her lips, and it just... She's very good at making people uncomfortable. But not like in a bad way, just in a kind of, can you please stop sort of way. Kind of funny though. upgrade.
Oh, hey! I haven't seen shooting like that since the arachnid squabble on Praxis 7. Come on, let's head to the spaceport. Looks like Tachyon's taken over the spaceport defenses. We gotta take him out.
Just wait for the right moment.
Keep going. We're almost through. I haven't seen action like that since. Actually, I don't remember ever seeing action like that. Come on, let's get into the spaceport.
Ratchet, come in. There's too much anti-spacecraft fire to land a ship anywhere near you. I'll try to find the location we're looking for from the air.
All right.
You got it.
What can we do you for?
Wow, we have that much rotanium already?
Bada bing.
God damn. I suppose at this point it's better to just work up the weapon upgrades as soon as I can. Better than to not upgrade them at all. Alright, let's do it. Cool.
Good luck, sir. Try not to die in the lava pit. Smashing out.
I'll try not to. Hey there.
Well, hey there, friend. You picked a dangerous time to be visiting Rackham 5. Old Percival has shut down the spaceport until he gets his paws on the Lombax secret. Well, I'll be... Son, this here is part of a highly classified weapon schematic. Tell you what, you bring me the full holoplan and I'll build you the weapon. Provided you let me keep the plans, of course.
Well, of course. I just want the damn weapon.
Well, looks like this series was discontinued by Gadgetron for being too dangerous. I'm beginning to like this weapon already. Sorry, son.
Oh, okay.
Afraid not, Hoss. Suppose you can thank the Drophets for scaring them all away. But if you ever find yourself on Sargasso, I may have some work for you.
Sargasso, huh? I'll have to keep that name in mind.
Well, I suppose you could use this here gyrocycle. Of course, a businessman such as myself couldn't part with it without some sort of monetary compensation.
Well, I'll do that in just a moment. Oh. Before I go running around in some gyrocycle, I'm gonna look around first. Just to make sure I don't miss anything. Anything like that. Mr. Zircon capsule.
Leech bombs!
This humble yet eloquent synthenoid has been manufactured with only one directive. Protect its master.
Smart choice. You got with stock 100% effective.
What's up here? Thought there was something up here. That's something. So at least now we know where the, at least now we know where we can submit our holo plans to when we have all the pieces. So that's some definite good news. I kind of want to go back here real quick. Just like really map everything out, you know? Make sure I don't miss anything. Oh, I can't go back. Well, that's... That sucks. Oh well. Oh, they do respawn ammo. Well, I guess there's not really much else I can explore here. You think there would be? Ow. So we can fly off if we want to, but we've got more important things to do.
Hey, you're back. Change your mind about the gyrocycle? Now, careful with this thing. The Lombax I bought it from modified it with a Terra thruster. Oh, Lombaxes can't leave nothing the way it is, eh?
Very true. Sick. Adieu.
Attention, citizen. You have unlawfully entered the Riken 5 lava refinery. Alerting Drawfed Detention Squad.
Yeah, look at how much I care. This is gonna be so cool.
Rolling through hypergates will give you an instant speed burst.
I'm surprised I got through that without getting hit.
Alert the Emperor. The Lombax
Ooh,
is
pretty.
entering the lava refineries using a modified gyrocycle. Move in fast and shoot on sight.
You're really knowledgeable on what I do, aren't you? You know, you really gotta appreciate the fact that they know what I'm doing. Slow and steady.
Ratchet, the coordinates point to one of the rock islands in Sector 4. There's a strange heat signature coming from there. Way too cool to be sitting in the middle of a lava pit. I can't believe it. The Lombax secret is real. I'll see you there.
Crap, did I just get stuck? Did I actually just get stuck? I think I actually just got stuck. Are you kidding me? Hang on. I may have to save and quit. First, real quick. God damn it. Oh my god, are you for real? I'm actually stuck. Can't fucking believe this. Like, that's just all kinds of bull honky. Pretty sure the untouchable skill point is for getting through this without getting hit.
You have unlawfully entered the Riken 5 lava refinery. Alerting Drawford Detention Squad.
Rolling through hypergates will give you an instant speed burst.
Alert the Emperor! The Lombax is entering the lava refineries using a modified gyrocycle. Move in fast and shoot on sight!
Ratchet, the coordinates point to one of the rock islands in Sector 4. There's a strange heat signature coming from there. Way too cool to be sitting in the middle of a lava pit. I can't believe it. The Lombax secret is real. I'll see you there.
Ooh, I'm so tempted to go down there. I'm not going to, though. Damn it! And that was the very last part. Why is it that all the skill points I could possibly get always screw up at the end?
This is where the coordinates lead. Looks like an old bunker.
What do these symbols mean?
Can't read Lombax either, huh? Sorry. It says, in this room, a secret born, to quell the angry Cragmite storm. You've traveled far, but to be clear, without a tale, your quest ends here.
Welcome back, Lombax. I hope your long journey has been rewarding.
What? You've got to be kidding me! We come all this way and there's nothing here!
Ooh, looky here. It's one of those ancient holovid players. We used to watch old episodes of Lance and Janice on those darn things.
Congratulations, soldier. The Center for Advanced Lombax Research has selected you as the beta tester for the most important invention in Lombax history, the Dimensionator. Built by 8 of the brightest minds in Lombax history, the Dimensionator's ergonomic design is the culmination of nearly 3 Arcturian cycles of research. Now, with your help, we will finally end the Kragmite's long reign of terror. But before you begin, it is vital you observe the following safety guidelines. If you are pregnant, have a heart condition, or are allergic to interdimensional travel, please consult a physician before using the Dimensionator. Should you be inadvertently warped to the dimension of the Xanatharian death weasels, remain calm and access the pepper spray located in your beta test kit. In the unlikely event that the Dimensionator creates a time-space singularity and tears the fabric of the universe asunder, please log an A-bug and notify a programmer immediately. Following this orientation, please report to our testing facility on planet Sargasso for live training and deployment. Good luck, and farewell from the Center for Advanced Lombax Research.
The weapon used to vaporize the Kragmites was a hat. Oh, come on. There's no way a Lombax would invent something that ridiculous.
Oh, really? What about your nuclear-powered rocket sled? Your antimatter bathroom buddy? And let us not forget about the electroshock undergarments you invented last fall.
Stunderwear. Huge seller on Umbris.
Guys, you're missing the key word here. Interdimensional. There's more to this than we thought. Come on, we need to check out that testing ground on Sargasso.
Coordinates acquired for planet Sargasso.
Hey, Ratchet.
Sweet! That's where I needed to go.
Then I'll meet you on planet Sargasso. The good news is Tachyon's forces don't know about Sargasso. The bad news is, well, let's just say there may be a few bigger problems to deal with.
Oh boy. Bigger problems like what? Where am I? Oh, there I am. Hey, wait. Oh. Okay, this is where I just was. Confusing. Do I have to take this thing back? Oh no, I can just teleport. Okay.
All right, Chief.
Oh my god. Look at all that raritanium. $13, $23, $28. Oh my god. I mean, it's worth it, right?
Upgraded.
Gotta.
Done and done. Bada bing, bada boom.
Alright, so next time, in Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, we're off the planet Sargasso. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And I'll see you all next time.